No.
There's some more over here.
Oh,
got
my
3 more.
goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow,
Open
no,
that
4
one.
more.
Oh, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Oh,
Yes.
6.
Oh,
And
wow.
another one over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Open this one. Open this one. What is that? What is it?
Another one.
What
You
is
don't
that?
I don't know.
Let me see.
What is it?
It's the whole Barbie hair thing. Let me see. Look, you got the Barbie hair, Barbie soap, the nail polish, the tissue, things for her makeup, a
Wow.
blow dryer,
Oh, Mama.
makeup.
Makeup.
Wow.
That's beautiful, Rachel.
Oh.
You got the whole Barbie setup.
Yeah,
Okay, we're
look
going to
at
put
that.
it over here for a minute.
Oh,
Wow.
Here you go.
Somebody. Oh.
Oh my goodness, you just got a
Wow.
lot of presents.
A lot.
It was worth waiting for the princess, wasn't it?
Well,
said
if
you want
the
Barbies.
princess,
What's going to happen when you turn 6?
What is that?
Oh, another one.
What's that?
Clothes.
Oh my goodness, look at all the clothes.
Clothes.
Oh, look, she's got a bottle of water to drink water.
Yeah.
And her sneakers to go jogging.
Oh.
How beautiful is that?
Rachel.
Wow.
Ah.
Okay, let's put that to the side for a minute, just for a
Ooh.
minute.
Yeah.
What's this?
Oh,
Wow.
let's open it and see.
That was garbage.
Okay, go ahead, don't worry.
Well, I saw something to open the present.
What's that?
Look, Grandma.
What's that, Rachel?
What is it?
What is that?
What is it? Tell me.
Let me see.
Princess
Let me
shoes.
open. Let me see.
Princess
Let me
shoes.
see.
Princess
That's
shoes.
princess shoes.
Hold on. Let's open your shoes
Well,
and
that's some
see.
more.
Give me the paper, Mama.
A
Let's
paper?
see.
Yes.
Here you go, Grandma.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
They're beautiful. They're tied down for life, but they're beautiful. Ooh,
They are
Rachel.
very, very beautiful. I think I'm going to be the beautifulest princess than everybody else in the roller.
That's right.
Are
Wow.
going to be. Here you go.
Look at that, Rachel.
If
Put that one on that foot.
this one?
Yep.
Okay.
See.
Let's wait and see how I walk.
Well, you gotta walk very carefully, okay?
Well, I might fall.
No.
Well, you can fall, but not if you take your time.
Wow, look at
Remember
these.
the other ones you had?
Beautiful?
They're very beautiful.
Remember the pink ones, Rachel?
Yeah.
But these are the extra special ones. You know why?
Why?
Because they're your birthday shoes.
Wow.
Guess what?
What, baby?
This is all thank you to you guys.
Oh,
I love you.
Mwah.
beautiful.
I love you.
I love you too.
But you are a beautiful princess. Did you like your shoes?
Yeah, I love them.
Okay.
Now we have to have some more presents to open.
Oh, okay. Two more. Two more, Rachel.
Two more to open. I think I'll open this one first.
Okay, open that one
I
first.
hope it's something beautiful in there.
What is it?
Get it open faster.
What's that?
Get it open faster. Oh.
Oh! It's a Barbie car!
Alright!
It's the beach car!
Wow, Rachel!
How exciting
Hey,
is that?
you know what? Mater has somebody to drive around with now.
Mater? Who's Mater?
That's beautiful.
Oh, that's Mater.
Uh-huh.
Well, you can take him to the beach now.
All right.
Poor Mater. Remember how loved Mater used to be?
That
Because
was
I'm growing up.
last year, Mayor.
No, 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Yeah, last year was that one.
He had to go to school with her. He had to go to the stores with her.
Yes.
Oh, and
She
that,
left the one bed outside.
Go ahead, open the present.
My last present.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Whoa,
no.
what is that?
A bubble. Aha!
That's everything.
Everything.
That's the golf present.
Mm.
You got your putter. You got your club. You got your wedge. All right.
Other side of you mirrors are.
Grandma, there's some
Yeah.
more.
Thank you.
There's one more thing left.
Okay, we're gonna put this one over here for now. And we still gotta
You
take all
got the
that.
big one.
Okay. Wow. Are
You got
ready?
one more.
Are you ready?
You ready for the last?
Want me to
Wow.
help you pull it back over here?
I'll pull it. I'll pull it.
I'll pull it out.
2.
Oh, what's that?
Wow.
What is
Something
that?
Heavy.
It's ve-
That's
What is
heavy.
What I wanted. A house.
A Barbie
Your
house.
finger got squished by the house.
Well,
It's a-
I'm not gonna cry. I'm a beautiful princess, you know.
Don't
Yes.
cry.
Beautiful
The
princesses
princess don't cry.
Never cry.
Never cry.
Look
Yeah,
at that. It's a house.
House.
What's it got in it? Let's see.
Wow.
A
It's
bed,
got
a bed. Yeah.
It's got a kitchen. It's got a bathtub. It's got the barbecue.
Where's the bathtub?
There's a picture of it over here.
Here's the bathtub. It shows you all the different things.